I'ma make it go north, south, east, west coast. Maybe we can go north, south.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Xrizz'Tina and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a Shein haul. I don't know if it's called Shein or if it's called Shein, but that's what we're going to be doing. Discussing this order that I made and whether or not I should have made it. So I'm just going to pull up the order really quick. That way I'm able to tell you guys how much everything costs and also let you know what it's supposed to look like versus how it looked on me. The first thing that I ordered is the double-breasted velvet blazer dress in a size small. It was on sale for $26.04. And I'm going to just show y'all how it's supposed to look. Just like that. Just a little bit of cinch in the waist, just a little bit. And when I put it on, of course, I'm pretty sure I don't have the same body type as the model. Who knows? But there was no cinching to be had. But what I expected was a little bit more definition and structure with the material. Even with it being crushed velvet, I expected them to do a little something. Another thing that I wasn't really keen on is the sleeves. They're really, really boxy to me, and at the end of my wrist, with my wrist being so small, they kind of overwhelm the look. Kind of like if your ankles, not your ankles, you know how your ankles flood? I don't like when jackets and shirts flood on my wrist. It just doesn't make sense to me. Aside from that, when I fold it in together, the little buttons are not actually stitched. Like, can you see this? They're not actually stitched into or put into the material like they should be. They're kind of just stitched on the surface, and Damien actually pointed that out to me. So this one is going back, most definitely. I know with Shein, a lot of people say, well, you shouldn't have, you get what you pay for. And that's true. But sometimes you don't have to pay that much. The next thing I ordered was a Shein Basics solid off-the-shoulder bodycon dress in the size small. It's on sale for it's on sale for $7.24. And this is how it looks. Now, if you know me, you know that I love a fitted dress. I love long sleeves. They're so easy to dress up and dress down. Off the shoulder dress, I would say for this one specifically, the material is definitely solid. I was not able to see my bottoms through this, but I will say you get what you pay for with this one because it was less than $10, but it's stretchy. I think the fabric is jersey fabric is what it's called. The neckline area isn't really tucked and totted or anything like that. It kind of just reminds me of one of those dresses that you can just throw on and go about your business. You style it up, style it down, walk around the house. I'm keen on walking around the house in these. I ordered that one, and I also ordered another one. This is the Shein Basics solid bodycon dress in a small. The other one was a small too, and this is on sale for $9.05. Now this one comes in, I think that's 10 colors. This one actually comes way below my knees, like towards my shin, and the other one is like right below my knees. But I love long sleeve fitted black bodycon dresses. You could literally do anything with these, which I will be showing in a reel on my Instagram story, so stay tuned for that. I want to say it's also probably a more premium quality jersey, but it fits really well. And like I said, these are just basic pieces that I like to keep in my closet because I wear all black, and I'm wearing all black is not boring. I know some people think that it can get boring, but it doesn't get boring. I just think that it's really important to have pieces like this, basic black bodycon dresses, because you can do just about anything with them. And then I ordered a Shein rib knit solid cami top in the size small. This top I have worn in so many Instagram posts. This top is so cute. If you're somebody who likes to wear crop tops, or somebody who likes to wear, like, have your armpits out and your arms out, or you just like having something that you can toss on, this is fantastic. So first of all, this was $4.53. I bought one a year ago, and it's still like this. hasn't faded. There's no little strings coming out of it. She goes in the dryer, she goes in the washer, and that's how big it is. I feel like it looks longer on camera than it actually is, but I've worn it in a lot of posts and it's super convenient. It's just, especially if you want to wear your pajamas and you just want to have a clean little top on, or you want to wear some jeans, this is your girl. And let me check and see if it comes in any other colors. I don't think it does. Oh, it does. Pinks and blues and stuff like that, but of course I ordered mine in black. The next two things that I got were, they're basically leotards, but what are they calling them now? Oh, bodysuits. So I got two bodysuits. Anyway, so the first one that I got was a Shein Basics backless solid tee bodysuit. It's $8. It doesn't come in other colors, and the sizes go up to 4XL. So this is what it looks like. It's backless. She backless. This is the actual backless one. And it's supposed to be squared in the front. I feel like in the picture it looks like a higher quality. Like I said, the clothing looks like they have more structure to them. The other one is a Shein Basic Solid Form-Fitted Bodysuit, size small. And it's on sale for $6.34 right now. It's also a number 5 top rated in basic women's bodysuits, and it does go up to a 4XL. One thing I really like about this particularly, the sleeves, because I don't know, maybe I'm just weird, but I kind of feel like I don't like when my sleeves cut right here. I don't like when they cut right above my armpit because it just feels wrong. Did that make any sense? So my armpit can be tucked in, you know what I mean? I don't know. So I really like the neckline of this. I don't know if it's called a crew neck or what. I'm really trying to get better about my fashion terminology. Real easy to dress up. Okay, you could put some jeans on with this. You could put some suit pants on, a cute little cardigan. I even think this would be great for if like business casual. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so the next thing that I ordered, were these really cute pants. So these are the Shein notch wide waistband skinny pants. I actually ordered these in an extra small because when I saw them on the model, my first thought was, I really like the way that the waist looks, but I know I am literally so petite in the waist. And I'm not bragging, okay, because I've tried to gain weight. I'm so small that things that look like they should fit me be looking like I have a brown lunch bag on. So I got an extra small. It comes in 5 different colors and it goes up to an extra large in size. Okay, now what I like about these pants particularly is, like I said, the feature around the waist. It kind of dives in the front, like where your belly button is, which is real cute, and it definitely accentuates the waistline to give you a little bit more curve. If you're somebody who's straight up and down, that might look really cute on you. So you got the zipper in the back tucked in, giving us all the business. And you know they are not, you know some nice pants when they got that little annoying hook on the back, the one you forget about when you're trying to take your pants off. I feel like the material's pretty nice because I've worked in retail, and let me tell y'all something. Some of the time, like a lot of the time, what you pay more money for is literally the same quality as some of the stuff sold at like grocery stores and on sites like Shein. Just saying. You know, I could go to like Nordstrom or Dillard's and literally pick up a pants. Same texture, same thickness of the fabric, same kind of stitching, same loose stitching. And these pants would be anywhere from, I want to say like $35 to $60 in women's at other stores. No ma'am. So anyway, when I put these on, I was so happy because let me tell y'all something. It is so difficult for me to find pants that fit. These fit like a glove though, so I'm really happy about those. So let me tell y'all about this dress. I actually have it on right now because she is very comfortable and very silky. Okay, this dress is called the off-shoulder slit hem dress, and I got it in a size small. It was $12.66. I really just like how soft it is, but I like how there's structure more than anything. It fits my body without being too tight. It fits my shoulders. Like, I haven't had to do this at all. And you can wear it off the shoulders if you'd like. The next thing is the Shein Sexy Asymmetrical Neck fluffy knit top in a size small. I don't know what I paid for this, but it was on sale for $9.05. This thing is gonna have to go in the dry off because it's not small enough around the shoulders. She is very fuzzy, she is very soft, you know, somebody with sharp nails could definitely poke you through this. My only other concern with a top like this is shedding, of course. I'm not mad at it though, because like I said, it wasn't expensive and it's sort of meant to fall off your shoulder. But yeah, she's cute and she's a keeper. I also ordered the Shein split hem leather look pencil skirt, and this is in the size small and it goes up to an extra large 12. This was $11. This is what I ordered. I ordered a size small. One of the only things that I don't like about this skirt, actually there's three things. The three things I don't like about this skirt. Number one is there are lines right here. I don't like that. Yeah, the stitching's not that great. I don't like the lines on the side. But if anything, this is going back because I'm not a fan of this right here. And last but not least, this was one of the pieces that I was the most excited about. This is the keyhole black sleeveless PU leather blouse, which I believe that means is not real, and it's $9. And the largest size is a size 8-10 in large. So this is how this looks on the site, y'all. Isn't that cute? Is that not cute? Is it not giving? I think it is. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I do like the way the sleeves are stitched together to sort of help the shirt create that draped look, but I don't like the shoulders. I think this should have definitely been folded under and stitched that way, because it kind of just looks like, I don't know, it just looks really, really cheap on the sides and in the back. It looks really, really cheap. I also don't like this little hooky poo. I would have much rather preferred a zipper for this. And if you do plan on getting this, because it's not a bad shirt, I mean, it was only $9. If you do plan on getting this, just know that the material is stitched with something else. I think it's lined with satin, but it's thin. All right. That was everything that I ordered from Shein, okay? And my order total, let me just tell y'all, $126.06. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that more people who watch these kind of videos can see my videos. That would mean the world to me. And leave a comment down below telling me where you're shopping this season and where I need to be shopping, because y'all know if I'm sending some clothes back, that means I'm going to need something to replace them, right? Right. I'll see you guys in the next video. You can subscribe right here and watch the next one right here.